Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of The Grooming Guru with me Riaan, and today I'm going to talk about something really interesting, which is pre and post workout skincare. As you all know, I'm quite a fitness addict. I love working out at least 5 times a week and I love taking care of my skin. So guys, just in case you didn't know, there is definitely a link between working out and skincare, and I think it's important for all of you to be careful of what you do on your skin before and after a workout, and I'm going to tell you just what to do today. So guys, before your workout, what do you do before your workout? You need to ensure that your pores are clean and unclogged. So especially if you've been working with any makeup on, you need to remove the makeup. If you've got sweat on, you need to remove the sweat. So what do? Cleanse your skin. Use a great face wash or a face cleanser. So these are my personal favorites: the Himalaya Purifying Neem Green Face Wash and the Nivea Men for Acne. I've been trying this out for the last 2 months and it really works. So it leaves your skin really clean and fresh just before you go in for a workout. So sometimes you might choose not to work out in an indoor gym and do a workout outdoors. Like, I love to work out outdoors. I'm a very outdoorsy person. So guys, if you're working out, especially during the day, it's extremely important to put on sunblock. So sunblock with a high SPF, especially if you're living in a tropical climate in Asia, the sun can be really harsh on your skin. So it's extremely important. I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50, which really works for me. It's not too greasy, it's not too oily. So just dab a little on your face just before you step out for your workout. So during your workout, if you are sweating excessively and you don't want to clog your pores, it might be a good idea to carry some wet wipes as well. Wet wipes really help wipe off the excess sweat during your workout and to prevent any unnecessary breakouts or flares. Another thing that I like to do is just to carry classic rose water or a facial mist and just spray it on your face while you are working out. It keeps your face fresh and hydrated. So guys, now we're talking about post-workout. Okay, what do? The most important thing when you finish your workout or get out of the gym is to wash your face with really cold water. Why do we do that? Is to take off all that excess sweat and dirt and grime that might have gathered on your face for over an hour of your workout, and it could possibly prevent any flares or infections or pimples or anything. So wash your face with cold water first. After that, when you're in your shower, once again you use a really deep cleansing face wash. Now it's also recommended that you use a foaming face wash, because a foaming face wash at this stage, your post-workout phase, is really deep cleansing, so it can pull out all the dirt and grime and sweat and excess oil that is on your face. So if you have a foaming face wash, please use it after your workout. If not, just do some research. These are easily available in the market, and certainly you must try to use these. And guys, the final stage of this whole skincare routine, your pre-workout, post-workout, during workout, at the end of it all, it's important to give your face a good burst of moisture. That's what your face needs, and you will see that glow after you give your face a good burst of moisture. So I really like to use the Clinique Moisture Surge face spray, which is a moisturizing spray which you just spray across your face after the workout, especially designed for men. And then this PHY men's moisturizer, which is a super light moisturizer, so the texture is really amazing, and so that's how I settle my whole skin after my workout. Thank you so much guys for joining me on this Grooming Guru video. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any doubts or questions regarding your skincare or your pre-post workout, I'd love to hear from you. Or if you have any recommendations, please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm going to try and respond to each of you. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and there's going to be a lot of grooming videos coming up.